I've been taking Nutrafol consistently for 4 months now, but I'm having issues. Again. Month 1, I got over a hurdle that I thought would completely end my journey with Nutrafol. But then in month 4, it came back with a vengeance. That was dramatic. I'm sorry. Speaking of dramatics, my issue popped back into my life while I was at the theater watching the Barbie movie, but we'll get into that in just a second. So let's dial the clock back to about 4 months ago when I first started taking Nutrafol. One thing that I noticed is that my hair started to come back in the same way that it did when I first went natural. It was more moisturized, growing straight out of my scalp, and my little coils were coming back. My hair was coming in wavy. It don't stay that way. The rest of my hair just gives me the finger, but I had noticed that just the quality of my hair had improved. I had less breakage, less shedding, and I was even able to keep my styles much longer than I usually do. All of that is still consistent in month 4. However, I have not seen a change in the thickness of my hair. So everything else has been great. I'm really happy about the progress that I have, but my hair had, if you know my channel, you know why I'm speaking in past tense, but my hair had been thinning, and I was hoping that Nutrafol would help grow it out a little bit. I do feel like it is on its way as long as I can keep taking Nutrafol. Which leads me to the next issue. And before we continue, let me tell you a little bit more about this channel. So I'm a professional actress, video editor, and filmmaker, so I cannot help but to give you guys hair content in a story format. So if you're down for that, make sure you subscribe, because we have a whole lot of fun on this channel. Okay, love you, bye. Like I mentioned before, this symptom snuck up on me while I was at the theater watching the Barbie movie. All of a sudden, I was sitting there, and all I can think of was, oh, my head hurts.
What's up, Cat?
My head started to hurt. It started like from back here, and then it got to the front of my head, and then I was nauseous. And I was just sitting there like, is it the pink? Is this reminding me of Pepto-Bismol? Like my stomach was genuinely upset. And this went on for about 2 weeks. I was dizzy, I was lightheaded, I was kind of disoriented. Of course, you know, I had the nausea going on, and I just couldn't figure out why until I stopped taking Nutrafol, and then once again, all the symptoms went away. At this point, I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm not gonna go to Nutrafol, because if you saw month 2, which I suggest you check out, you see what their response was. So I'm not gonna do that, but we still just gonna try to figure out what the heck to do. Because like I said, I'm getting my hair back. Whether it's this way or something else, my hair is going to come back and keep flourishing, because I speak what I want. If you are interested in my full Nutrafol journey, go ahead and, where am I gonna put it? Go ahead and check out this video right up here. And if you are into the story-based videos that I make, go ahead and check out my first season of Gym Naturals, which season 2 is on its way as well. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay inspired, stay empowered, and stay beautiful. Peace.